In this webcast, Integrating Legacy Systems with SaaS Applications, we will be showing real-time bi-directional integration between a SaaS application and a legacy green screen application.
Today's demo, we are going to be talking about integrating a cloud-based system with a mainframe application. The first thing that we're going to do is integrate SalesForce with a back-end order entry system on the mainframe. An opportunity entered in SalesForce will automatically update the mainframe order entry system. Subsequently, when that order gets updated in the mainframe, it will automatically update the SalesForce opportunity. Let's begin today's demo by looking at the mainframe order entry system. So we have a typical green screen application, not the prettiest in the world. If we look, the very first order entry ID begins with the letter C. What we're going to do is we are going to enter an opportunity in the SalesForce application, which will automatically generate a new order here in the mainframe system. So let's switch over to SalesForce. So this is a typical SalesForce console. I'm going to go ahead and enter a new opportunity. I'm going to enter a $1,000 opportunity because I am an optimistic salesperson. I also think I'm going to close it by the end of the month. I'm going to call this Bob's Opportunity. I'm going to say it's actually just at the prospecting level. Let's pick a mainframe demo account. Let's put in a couple more things. Let's put in an order and number A12345. Another thing I want to put in is a tracking number. One of the capabilities that's important is to be able to map information from one system to another that may not necessarily have an exact match. So with this, I'm going to enter actually a customer number in the order entry system. I'm going to do a save. The opportunity was created. Let's go back to our mainframe application. Let's do a next and say that we would like to begin here. If you notice, we have that order number that we entered. We had the requested ship date was the suspected close date. We have a status of prospecting. We also mapped the SalesForce ID, so there's synchronization between that opportunity entered in SalesForce and the opportunity and the order in the order entry system. There's no amount, there's no ship date. So let's go ahead and update this record. We'll do a modify. We're not going to put in an amount. We're going to do a ship date of today because we are a very good shipper. I'm going to do a note that says I shipped this order today. Product ID 123, a product ID of 456, the product name, let's sell a widget, and let's sell a deluxe widget. Price of $10 for those, a price of $20 for this, a quantity of 4, a quantity of 8. You'll see that now we have a $200 amount. I shipped the order today. A ship date of 7/24. The record was modified successfully, and now we are going to ship it off using our PF key to SalesForce. I get the note that says update was sent to SalesForce. Let's go back to SalesForce, look at this opportunity. Let's look at the details again. So now you'll notice a couple changes. The amount is now $200, not the very optimistic $1,000. We have a close date now. The close date was today. That's 7/24 ship date. We changed the status to close 1. probability of 100%. And you notice that the description that we sent, or the note that we sent in, is now in the description. I shipped this order today. So it was that quick and that easy that we were able to integrate the two systems together.
Now let's take a look at the architecture which enabled us to integrate these two applications together. We used our Web Methods integration platform. The platform enabled us to communicate between the two systems by using adapters. We have a wide range of adapters that allow us to simply and easily connect to applications, technology, and a whole host of other IT capabilities. In this instance, we use the NTireX mainframe adapter to communicate to the mainframe. We specified the IP address of the mainframe, the port that it was listening on, the security credentials, as well as a few other options. On the SalesForce side, we used our CloudStream SaaS adapter, which enables communication not only to Salesforce, but a wide range of SaaS applications. When we entered the Salesforce opportunity, we utilized our Salesforce event listener to listen for that change to the Salesforce application, where the data was passed back to the Web Methods integration platform. We used the NTireX adapter to communicate to an RPC listener on the mainframe, where it executed the appropriate COBOL program and passed the information so that it was updated on the mainframe. For the return, when we updated the information on the mainframe, we compiled that COBOL code with an NTireX link adapter that allowed that COBOL program to communicate back to our Web Methods integration platform. That information was passed back to the Salesforce adapter, where it updated the information in the Salesforce application. For more information, please email us at info@softwareaggov.com or visit us at www.softwareaggov.com. Thank you.